What up? Welcome back. I've had a bit of time to cool down since the hill climb, and half of my harmonic balancer decided to leave. But I have another one organised. I just have to go pick it up off all right, and I have to get a new belt, and then we'll get it back together. But I want to at least get the front of it apart, get the fan shroud off, get the fan off, and get a little bit of access into it first, and then I'll go pick up the belt and the other bits. But I also got some goodies off one of the lads, Connor. He's a fellow with another saw local. You would have seen it actually in the last video of, not the last video, the one of the meat, the white saw. It's rare that there's two of them parked up beside each other here, but got this little bracket. It's bolt on in here, and it just supports your brake master. It screws on up into that little dip in the back of it, in there. So it's a tasty little piece, but the real good bit that I got off him, GFB, yes. And I did go and order, I got this off from there, what was it, 2 weeks ago, and I managed to go and order a 4-port boost solenoid as well. So I got my 4-port Mac valve. That should be perfect for it. There's the bit of wiring for it, although they did cut the plug off for whatever sensor that they were using, and it's just 2 black wires, so I'm hoping it doesn't matter which one goes to which. Now we've just got power and the rest of the wire that will go for the ECU. All of the piping, and then the screen. Nice, so we'll finally actually have a bit of decent boost control in the car. Okay, so got fan and fan shroud and everything out of my way. Have a bit of WD soaking on the pulley bolt at the minute. And yeah, we'll give that a couple of minutes to soak in, and then I'll try pop it. Not. I have the car in second gear, the handbrake locked on. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Again, no. Oh, that is not coming off. Yes. Yes. Oh, I'm after lumping the arm off myself as well. But I got it. Yes. Now, just setting up the harmonic balancer pulley. I had to go over to one of the lads and get a lendo on. They're the 3 bolts. They thread into them bolts here. So they thread into the pulley. And then, who you knew? And we got this bit. That'll sit in the end of the crank. And then you put your 3 bolts in and spin this bit, and she'll pull her off.
Pull it off.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Naughty. There it explodes.
Not much left of it.
No.
Oh, at least it's off it now anyway. Yeah, they get pretty tight in there.
Yeah. The keyway's still on the crank. Yeah, keyway's on the crank.
Yeah, it didn't drop.
No.
So, I've ordered the aircon delete bracket from Golby's. Probably be here Wednesday. It's a long week. Oh, it'll probably be here Tuesday actually. So yeah, it's the bracket. So it supports the power steering pump when you get rid of the aircon. I thought the aircon was just bolted to the block, but nah. So I can go drop this $80 belt back because I get a belt with the bracket kit. But I'm gonna stick my boost valve in. So I'm gonna mount it off this bolt hole here and make up a little bracket to mount this to, and then bolt the bracket to that, and I can just sit there. We can send the feed into the car and just have it straight beside the turbo, so it'll be real short lines. Happy days. And I've figured out where I'm gonna mount it in the car. Where I'm gonna mount the screen. The screen's just gonna go in there, just like that. So when you're driving it, well, you can imagine it with the steering wheel in. It's mint. I can't remember where I left off. We're now on the Monday of the bank holiday weekend. I have my wires ran. I have my power ran, gauges coming on and working. I just need to run the 2 wires to the sensor, or to the solenoid. These 2 wires just need to join the meter end, but I don't want to do that yet until I have this bolted in place and the boost pipes ran. But to do that, I need to take off the wastegate, which is buried all the way back in here, because I've only got one of the ports on it and I have a blank in the other side, so I need to take it out and put this port onto the top side of the gate. And like a brand new one. Get her in there now.
Lubing your shaft.
Lubing the shaft for me, nice. Oh yeah, there we go.
Both pretty dirty looking.
Yeah, we need a bit of Loctite on that, I'd say, as well, maybe.
Oh yeah. No, so you're going to talk to like 400, aren't you?
With what?
Twisty. We found the Loctite.
Well, it's on and it's tight. Well, it's as tight as we can get it now. It's just springing against the engine. So I'm hoping that my long pull bar is giving us enough force on it. Delete. Definitely take out the top rear bolt, or stud, as I say. That one there. Take that out before you drop all the rest of them, because the aircon pump will not fit out by the chassis leg. She's on the ground. Now we get to see what way this bracket works. Bottom hole and top hole. Nice. Yeah, and then you use this other one here for the back of the starter, or power steering. Aircon delete bracket fitted. Uses all the, well, nearly all the factory hardware, all the factory bolts, apart from this one. Oh, this one that's in here in the middle of the starter, or I keep calling it starter, power steering pump. Yeah, you can see it in the back here a little bit. Yeah, that long bolt sticking out there. I need to get a shorter one for that, but that'll do for the minute, because it's only a hole, it's not slotted, so it's not going to move anywhere. Just burping her out, getting her up to temp. We've got the gauges in, I'm working, so nice. We just need to get the last of the air out of the system. Yeah, we're getting there. Nice. Now let's see, did I blow a head gasket or not? Now it's time to go set up my boost. So it's not actually too bad setting up the boost on there. It's now running about 19 psi, going pretty good. Temp is still holding well, so I don't think I've done the head gasket, which I honestly do not know how I didn't do the head gasket. It got very hot. I have an issue with compressor surge. Lens is a bit manky. Yes, compressor surge. It was doing it a bit there before the harmonic balancer blew off it, but yeah, it's definitely pretty bad. Now, just back from my spin, been driving around for like the last hour or so. Temp's not bad. Temp in there is good. So yeah, literally been cruising around for about an hour and temps are still holding good. She's not after bubbling anything out of it. Still got a bit in the overflow. Nice. Yes, no blown head gasket.